So, welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. And as usual, bubukas na naman tayo ng tag-iisang packs. Kamigawa at Edge of Eternities. Medyo, ano ba? Kahapon. Kapag-addict tayo ng pan eh. Kapag-addict yan. ng Silk Song. Completion. Sunblade Samurai. Ang hirap lagpasan nung sa may bandang Crow, sa Moorwood ba yun? Grabe. Napunta ko ng 2 araw para lang tapusin yung challenge na yun. Mas Rider Patrol. Bamboo Grove Archer. Medyo na-LSS tayo kay Sherma. Befriending the Moss. Sino to? Mothra. Oh, Imperial Moth. Nice. Para siyang Mothra. Socket Stone Smelter. Unforgiving One. Ooh, Touch the Spirit Realm. Looks good. Brilliant Restoration. And, uy, nice. Swiftwater Cliffs. And a Construct. Baka talunin pa yan ng Clear Obscure. Ilvoy Gelblade. Cavland Seeker. Diplomatic Relations pagdating dun sa music. Pero wala. Bibigay ko pa rin yan sa Clear Obscure. Focus Fire. Insatiable Skitter mo. Bright Spear Zealot. Nanoform Sentinel. But wala pa rin yung Spaceship. Emergency Eject. Ruinous Rampage. Faller's Faithful. Unravel. Wow! Nice! Nakapag-endstone din! Serte pa rin tayo! Feeling blessed! Woohoo! Pakmas! Sammy's Curiosity. Forest and our robot token. So that's all. Balik ulit sa work. Masaya, nakapag-endstone na din. So, Pakmas! See you again another time. Ciao!